Hey, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make an advertisement for our different shows and activities. So, my favorite and easiest thing to do is to go to PowerPoint and make it on a PowerPoint slide. Now, what I've already done is gone to Design and changed the slide size to 4:3, which is the standard. It usually opens on widescreen, but change it to standard because it fits better on a paper when we're trying to print it. We can print forward a page instead of like two. So go ahead and change this. So for the background, you can either like do straight one color, like I could do like yellow and be like yellow background, but that's like really bright. So I just reset it. You can go to insert and use an online picture. But since it is an advertisement, when you're searching, so I'll do tie-dye since our theme is kind of like that. And make sure the Creative Commons is checked. So that means we're allowed to use it. So insert. Ta-da! Okay. So I'm gonna remove this little text box down there. Not cute. And then just try to fit to your best ability to the really big to the slide. So what you can do is take it and crop the image. To fit the slide. And especially when you're only working with one slide, you can scroll and stuff because because there's not more than one. So ta-da, there you go. Oh oops. I never did. Alright, so now I've got the background. So what you do from here, you can what I would do is if you do a really bright image, because this is a really bright image, go to color. Sorry, my computer's really slow. And no, maybe it's under, yeah, it's under corrections. You can take it and like mute it and like, yeah, so I've dulled down the colors a little bit so that they're not, we can still use words. So after that, you can go to, there's tons of font websites, but my favorite is 1001 font. And this is a really great one to use because they're all free, so to download. So I'm gonna I'll put our show name for Spring Show this year. So now we know what the font's going to look like for our show. So then I'm going to search up here for fonts. I'm going to say disco. Ooh, I like this one. So I'm going to download it. And so that's just me showing you how it works when you're downloading a font. There's thousands of fonts. I've downloaded some already. So I'm going to just use one I already have. But now I have a new font. So put a text box on here. And you can do insert. Oh, I'm sorry. You can change your font. So once you pick out your font, you can add it. I'm going to use one that I already have. It's very 70s. Let me find it first. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to put it in white so it stands out. Alright, so now I've put the show name on there. Really big. And then you can add the information. You can get several different fonts on there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm not going to go through all the information on it, but the quickest way to make, there's two different ways you can make it a PDF. So you can do print, and then instead of printing it to your printer, print it to PDF, and then print, and it should pop up. We'll see if my computer decides. So, I'm gonna put, so I just made it a PDF, and it should pop up in a second now. Little printer button's working over here. Like, little confused. So I'm gonna go to, uh, well, yeah, what just happened? So here it is. So I just did this a second ago. Now you can do it like this, but it's on a piece of paper, so on like an outline. That's one way to do it. The preferred way that I would typically do it, I'm sorry, I keep coughing, is to hit export and hit create PDF. So, I'm gonna go back and replace the one I just made. Okay. Alright. Now, it's exported it as its own PDF, so it looks like this. So then you can have your information. So this is just whatever. And if you need any additional help, you can ask. One thing, I'm going to show you the one. This is the one that was made with PowerPoint 2 years ago. It was really easy to make. Different fonts. It was the Grammy, so there was a Grammy thing on there. And make sure, no matter what, you include ticket price and where they're being sold and the website, because people have to know the website. Alright, I hope this helps, and good luck.